دسترسی به پایان نامه‌های دیجیتال in Farsi and it said that how to access e-thesis. Okay, so let me click on this button. For example, I want to search for reinforcement learning. And now let me click on search for thesis for this kind of keyword here. Now we should wait. Okay, now you can see the oceans of finding results about thesis all around the world here. You can see there are many theses in English that you can download. And this is why I called this website a treasure. When you are a master or a PhD student, it's very useful for you to study and download another thesis all around the world. Here you can see many theses or dissertations about reinforcement learning. So now I can, for example, request for papers, request for thesis here, very similar to other previous steps. But now I want to tell you something very important when you want to search. Here you can see very similar to Google Scholar. You can refine your research. For example, now we are in 2022. We are in March 2022. So, for example, I want to search for new thesis. So, here, for example, I type 2021 to 2022, and I want to search for new thesis. So, I click on this button to refine my research. You know, this option is very useful, and don't forget to use it. Okay, now you can see new theses that are submitted in this database. And it is very useful for you, especially when you want to choose a good topic for your thesis. You should study that all around the world, now working on which topics and what's the importance of each topic. Okay, so where you can easily click on this button, درخواست پایان نامه, very similar when you want to download papers. And then the link of download will be shown. Okay, here you can see again, this is the link of thesis to download. And now I can easily download this e-thesis. Okay, so don't forget to use this option when you want to find a proper topic for your proposal or thesis. Okay, any question about this option?
Thank you very much. Thank you, doctor. الطريقة الرابعة التي يتحدث عنها الدكتور أنه عن كيفية البحث عن الأطروحات والمقالات. هنالك الخيار الرابع وهو دسترسی في پایان نامه‌های دیجیتال، يعني البحث عن أطروحة كاملة e-thesis، عن أطروحة كاملة بطريقة إلكترونية، وهي أن تبحث ليس عن تقرير وإنما أطروحة أو رسالة ماجستير إلكترونية كاملة. وهو أنك عند ضغطك على هذا الخيار سوف تخرج لك أو تظهر لك العديد من الخيارات، من ضمنها اسم الأطروحة أو العنوان الذي تبحث عنه، بالإضافة إلى العديد من الخيارات، مثل أنه يعطيك أن تحدد السنوات أو السالة التي تود اختيار الموضوع الذي ينحصر في سنينه أو في تاريخه. كمثال أنه تبحث عن أطروحة نشرت ما بين العام 2020 2021 و2022، وبمجرد ضغطك على جست جوي بايونامه أو البحث عن الأطروحة سوف يقوم هذا الموقع بإرسالك إلى موقع آخر يتضمن جميع الأطروحات الإلكترونية ضمن المقالة أو ضمن العنوان وضمن السنة التي أنت تبحث عنها، وبإمكانك أيضا بعدها بسهولة تنزيل تلك الأطروحة مباشرة إلى جهازك والاطلاع عليها. يعتبر أيضا هذا الخيار من أفضل الخيارات للاطلاع على أبحاث ودراسات الطلبة الآخرين في مجال اختصاصك. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear Marja. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is a very good option, option number 4, to study and download e-thesis. And the final option is to download e-books. This is another good option when you use Giga Library to access e-books. So again, let me click on this button. Okay, for example, let me search for a title. For example, reinforcement learning. I want to search for some books title here. Here, for example, there are some results shown by Google. Suppose that I want to, for example, I want to study and download deep reinforcement learning. So let me click on this button and the image of this paper. And here you can see this is the link of this book. Okay, now you can see this is the title of this book, Deep Reinforcement Learning, Fundamentals, Research and Applications. So let me copy this title of book and then here I can paste the title here and then I can click on search for ebooks here. So I click on this button and here you can see we have two results for this paper. Okay, so now you can see this is the book that we looking for. That here let me purchase the book here, سفارش کتاب. And here you should final submit. This is the final submit that you should click on this button. You know that there are some details about this ebook. Here, size of file volume here, formatted file or format file PDF, and the reduction of the, you know that this is, it calls that 6 اعتبار کاهش پیدا خواهد کرد, or it will be removed 6 credits from your profile. And okay, so let me submit my purchase. And here you can see this is the link of this book. So I click on this button and then I can easily download this ebook. Okay, so this is very, very good for you when you want to find some, you know, references that related to your work. There's some ebooks that are not available to download, but personally, you can download them you can see that if you want to buy this ebook, you should pay 85 euros to download this ebook. But by using Gigali, we can easily download the PDF file. So this is the final option when we use Giga library. Okay, any question? Did you understand my explanation? Okay, I tried to introduce you some useful options when you want to research for your thesis. And
Yes, doctor.
by
Thank you very much.
using
Thank
these
you.
options, you can do many things to research.
الطريقة الأخيرة
And let
في
me,
عمليات البحث عن طريق موقع الجيجا لايبراري هي
okay,
البحث عن
dear
كتاب
Majid, if
إلكتروني
you have
بالكامل، أي أنه
extra
عملية تنزيل
explanation
لكتاب
and
إلكتروني
want to
بالكامل
translate it,
عن
feel free
طريق
to do that.
الخيار الأخير دستوري كتاب دانشو ديجيتال، وهي أنك تقوم بالبحث عن كتاب معين منشور في أحد المواقع العامة كأن يكون جوجل أو فايرفوكس، ومن ثم تقوم باختيار عنوان هذا الكتاب والدخول على موقع الكتاب. ستجد أن الكثير من الكتب الإلكترونية هي تباع في ذلك المواقع مقابل مبالغ مادية. كل ما عليك أن تقوم به هو أن تقوم باستنساخ عنوان الكتاب وتقوم بإدخاله في خانة البحث الخاصة بالبحث عن الكتب وتنزيل الكتب الإلكترونية كما موضح في الصورة التي أمامكم ضمن الخط الأحمر في خانة البحث، ومن ثم تقوم بالضغط على الأيقونة الخضراء التي مكتوب عليها جست جوي كتاب، ومن ثم سوف يقوم الموقع بعرض تفاصيل هذا الكتاب من عدد الصفحات والحجم ونوعه وتاريخه وغيرها من المعلومات. وبمجرد اختيارك لهذا الكتاب والضغط على الاختيار الأخضر سترى أن الكتاب سوف يتم إنزاله بالكامل مجانا على حاسبتك.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we talked about 5 options in Giga Library. These 3 for searching for journal and conference paper. This option is providing e-thesis, and the final option is to download ebooks. Okay, so as I said, this is a treasure for you when you want to research, when you are a master or PhD student. Okay, so let me back to share my new document here. Now in this session, I want to start and talk about your seminar project. This is, the first step when you want to do your seminar project. Let me zoom in. These are an initial steps that you should follow. Here, number 1, select an appropriate topic for your seminar. This is your first task. This is your first task. Okay, now here we have 2 options to choose appropriate topic. Option number 1, if your supervisor is already specified, get help from him or her to choose topic. Okay, please tell me that, do you know your supervisor or not? I don't know that your department is assigned any supervisor to you or not. No, not yet. Okay, dear Majid, no problem. So, you know that I very like to, and recommended that choose the topic that related to the topic of your dissertation and proposal. But if not, there's no problem. So, this option is removed for you because you don't have any supervisor. And now, if your supervisor is not yet now, suggest a topic based on your personal and research interest. So think about that. Think about what is the best topic, and maybe you can continue this topic as your proposal and dissertation. So this is up to you. This is completely up to you to suggest a topic. So don't worry about that. And let's go to another option. Be sure to send me your title of your seminar to confirm the title. So after you choose your appropriate topic, be sure to send your title for my confirmation. This is another step. And finally, once I approve your title, now by using the tools I have introduced to you, for example, such as Google Scholar, such as Civilica, such as Magiron, especially by using other databases here available via the university homepage, for example, GigaLeap. You should prepare a review research on the seminar topic from the old references to new ones. You know that now you have all the options and all the tools you require to do a research by using Google Scholar, by using Civilica, Magiron, and GigaLeap, especially GigaLeap. It's an English database that's very useful for you. And then by using these databases, please prepare a review research on a seminar topic. And don't forget that it should be start with old references to new ones. And this is your first step to doing a seminar project. And to continue this seminar project, I will tell you another step. Okay? Any question? Dear Majid, I will give you that. I give you a good deadline for this project, because this project is your final project for this course. So don't worry about that. For example, maybe I give you 1 month to do the first step for this seminar project. Okay? But the exact date, I will give you the exact date, and I will introduce the deadline for this project. It's the initial date here, Majid, and maybe I will extend the date for this, the first phase.
Okay, sir, if you are, yes.
First phase of your project. Maybe I give you 1 month or 2 months, I don't know. It depends on your activity.
Okay, sir, if you allow me, thank you very much.
We continue our class.
Okay, yes, if you go to the English part of the exercise, and thank you for this good news. You relieve me. Yes, Mr. Laith, would you like to?
Can you hear me, please?
Okay, we have another dear late name. If you want to speak.
Yes. شباب بالنسبه للاكسرسايز اللي هو هذا الاكسرسايز الاخير لهذه المحاضره، واللي هو يقول انه انا راح اعطيكم مده شهر لغرض تحضير هذا التمرين. الاكسرسايز يتكون من 3 فقرات اساسيه. الفقره الاولى تم الغائها، كان هو سؤاله هل تم اختيار مشرف على الاطروحه مالتكم ام لا؟ اخبرناه بانه لم يتم اختيار احد من المشرفين لغرض الاشراف على الاطروحه او على موضوع الاطروحه، فيعتبر الخيار رقم 1 1.1 و1.2 كنسيلد، يعني ملغى او ديليت. هذا لا يتعلق بكم باعتباركم لم تختاروا لحد الان الاستاذ الذي استاذ عمار هسه راح اساله الذي يشرف عليكم. الخيار الثاني number 2 be sure to send me your title of your seminar to confirm that title. الأستاذ بلغكم بأنه اختيار عنوان لموضوع يتلائم مع السيمينار لغرض إرسال هذا العنوان إلى عنوان الدكتور لكي يتم تأكيد الاستلام وتأكيد الموضوع، يعني الاتفاق على الموضوع، يتم الاتفاق على الموضوع أو الموافقة من قبل الدكتور. Number 3, once approved, use the tools I have introduced to you, such Google Scholar and the website and database available through the university homepage to prepare, receive, research on the similar topic. عليك أن تضمن أو تتأكد باستخدام جميع الأدوات التي تم تقديمها من قبل الأستاذ لك، على سبيل المثال جوجل سكولر أو مثلا المواقع الأخرى، الداتابيس الافيلبل، السيفيليكا، الجيجل لايبراري وغيرها، لغرض الاستفادة منها في عملية البحث عن الموضوع الذي سوف يتعلق به السيمينار. وعليك أن تتأكد عند اختيارك لموضوعك أن يكون الريفيو all to new، يعني أنه جميع الريفيوات، جميع المراجعات والاقتباسات المتعلقة بموضوعك يجب أن يدرج ضمن الموضوع من الأقدم إلى الأحدث، يتم إدراجها بأكملها بغض النظر عن عدد الريفيو، يتم إدراجها من الأقدم إلى الأحدث. الأستاذ قام بعرض جيد، وهو أنه فترة هذا الإكسرسايز من شهر إلى شهرين، 1 to 2 months، من شهر إلى شهرين لغرض حل هذا الموضوع. Thank you, Doctor. But I think Mr. Ammar saying that he didn't receive the conversion.
1.1 here, but I don't know because the majority of you don't have any supervisor yet. But if you know your proposal topic, so choose it. This course will help you to write your introduction, section of your thesis. If you choose option 1.1, but if not, there's no any problem, because we should do this seminar and I should tell you some hints about how to write, for example, introduction of your thesis on how to write proposal. So if you know your title, so do it, or if not, you can choose a desired topic for that. But I strongly recommend, if you know the name of the title of your proposal, so choose it. But if not, choose another title, but according to your interest. And another question, yes, you told that, don't forget that the name of papers are not enough. You should include some information. You should write very similar. For example, you write the introduction part of your thesis, so it must be completed. I give you enough time to complete this project, and don't forget that this is your first phase of seminar, and other phases I will introduce.
Okay, so I'll translate that to the student.
For example, your proposal and other options, and how to present your file. For example,
لا عفوا استاذ ليث، عفوا كمل انا راح اترجم وراك.
And I will give you some information in the future.
I didn't choose any supervisor yet, but I choose the title of my proposal. So if I choose this title and submit it as the seminar project, there is no any issue or any problem for me. If I choose the same title for the proposal, there is no registration as fixed. It's okay. That's right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I have
computer department. Okay, you know, I'm in the electrical department of ImamReza-International University. So I think maybe they choose your supervisor, or maybe it depends on your opinion. I don't know. You should ask for them. You should call the administrator,
because we don't know the policy of the college.
Ask him or her to help you about that. And if not, I can ask for you. I can call them and ask for that.
Okay, can I translate, because I have to go on a duty right now? اوكي. الدكتور قال انه هذه هي
Okay,
الطور
no
الاول او
problem.
المرحله
No
الاولى
problem. I
من
will
الفعل
call
الحقيقي
your
للسيمينار،
department.
انه
I will
الفيرست
ask you and
فيز
I will
انه انت
inform you
تقدم
in our
عنوان
WhatsApp group.
للاطروحه مالتك. يجب ان يكون هذا العنوان هو ملائم للسيمينار لانه راح يكمل معك طيله الفتره الى
Okay.
المرحله الثالثه.
Thank
هذا العنوان لا يتضمن فقط عنوان وانما يتضمن تفاصيل اخرى كمقدمه على العنوان، مختصر على العنوان، بعض النقاط الاساسيه بالاضافه الى الريفيو، ولديك شهر الى شهرين لارسال هذا العنوان، ومن ثم التواصل مع الاستاذ ليعطيك طرق ونصائح اخرى في كيفيه اكمال هذه الاطروحه وهذا الموضوع اعتمادا على النصائح والتوجيهات التي سوف يقدمها لك الدكتور محمدي، الدكتور احمدي سوري اسفا. بما يتعلق استاذ لا يطرح انه هل سوف نختار نحن الاستاذ ام الجامعه تختار لنا الاستاذ. الاستاذ الدكتور اجاب انه لا يعرف، ولكنه سوف يحاول الاتصال بالجامعه ليعرف ما هي سياسه الجامعه تجاه هذه المواضيع. Thank you, doctor. I appreciate that too. And last question, one of the students, he said that he didn't receive the confirmation about his email, and the deadline is tomorrow. Till now, he didn't receive the email. What he can do about that? Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, dear Majid. Thank you so much. You know that the university will be closed next week because of Nowruz celebration, and for email creating, I think it is too late. You know, it's Wednesday today, and tomorrow and other days the university is closed. So if you, you know, you can't obtain or get your email address, don't worry about that. You can access to the email in the next year.
Happy New
After
Happy
Nowruz
New
celebration,
Rose,
2
sir.
weeks
Happy New
later.